Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Rosy Gold Mini Vibrator. So let's get started. So this is the Rosy Gold Mini Vibrator itself. As you can see, it's got a beautiful rosy gold colour, giving it a very luxurious and elegant look. It's also got some little ribbing patches at the bottom there. Now, as you can see, it's a very compact size, meaning it's perfect for you when travelling. You can even pop it in your handbag and no one will know. It's a fantastic toy at hand. It comes equipped with 10 vibration settings that are very powerful. The material is soft and smooth, meaning it's very comfortable to use during use and very simple and easy to operate. To turn on, press and hold down, and it's on. To change the settings, simply tap and choose your desired setting. To turn off, simply press and hold down, and it's now off. It's very simple and easy to recharge using the USB charging cable provided. The charging port is located next to the on button. Simply pop it in like so, and it will charge quickly and easily for you. Now, when using this mini vibrator, we recommend for you to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use, and make sure to clean the toy after every use using either a toy cleaner and a dry lint-free cloth, or you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water. And that is the Rosy Gold Mini Vibrator. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.